The stag at the pool. One day, a beautiful stag came to a pool of clear water. Stag is a male deer. As he bent down, he saw his own reflection in the water. He was delighted with what he saw. Instead of drinking water, he kept on looking at his own reflection. Delighted means feeling great pleasure. Reflection means the image of something in mirror or water. "How handsome I look," he said to himself. "How beautiful are these curving antlers. How they add to my beauty. How graceful they look." Antlers are the horns that grow on the head of a male deer, that is a stag. Then he moved nearer and saw his legs reflected in the pool. He was quite disgusted. Disgusted means feeling dislike. "Look at my legs. Ugh, they are so ugly, all spindly, with small feet." Spindly means very long and thin. How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antlers. Stately means grand. As he was brooding in this way, the stag had heard an arrow going swish across the pool. Brooding means thinking sadly for a long time. Swish means to move quickly through the air, making a soft rushing sound. At the same time, he picked up the scent of hunters. With a quick turn, he bounded away. Bounded means to run with a long step. His legs carried him swiftly into the forest. Swiftly means moving with great speed. The hunters were hot on his trail, but they were no match for his speed. Hot on his trail means very close to him. Soon the stag left the hunters far behind. Safe and out of hunters reach, the stag slowed down. Suddenly, without realizing it, he walked into a thicket. Thicket is a large group of trees, bushes, etc. growing close together. There were trees with strong branches growing close together. And alas, the same antlers of which he was so proud get caught in the thick growth. The stag tried to shake himself free, but the more he struggled, the more he entangled his antlers, got in the branches. Entangle means to got caught in something. Once again the stag could hear the hunters drawing close and grew afraid. Drawing close means coming nearer. At last, with great difficulty, he managed to free his antlers and bounded away. I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. I was so proud of these handsome antlers, but they would have been the cause of my death. Very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. Moral of the story: utility is important than beauty.